This is just a short video on the wiring on this Diamond T. If you can see on this wire here, that wire's got identification on it, and every 6 inches it's got that. So every one of these wires is marked, so when you push all your wires through, you don't have to worry about marking them because it's on there for you. But everything on here is marked every 6 inches. Comes in a kit. I bought the 8-circuit kit. A little under $200. It's got the turning signal, flashers, every wire that you'd ever need, and everything just works like it's supposed to. So when I get the fenders and all that on, why, I'll be kind of done with this. Rebel Wiring. Got any piece you'd need in there, and they'll custom make it for you. And they got a customer service. You can call them anytime. All American made.